Hey guys, Ultimate Gamer here, and today we're back in Madden 17, and we are going to do a $90 pack opening. Hope you guys enjoy this. I love doing it. It's awesome. So we got Thanksgiving packs, legendary bundle, one elite player legend, and the elite Thanksgiving no challenges / champions. 5 Thanksgiving bundle, or the big bundle. The big bundle. I think we're just gonna buy the big bundle. And if we have any left over, we'll just do it. So if we have any left over, we'll just use it on maybe a couple legend packs or something. I don't know. It's up to you guys. You guys let me know what packs you want me to open next time. Because I love opening Madden 17 packs. I'm going to bring you guys some more gameplay, or some gameplay in a couple of days or something. I'll work it out, guys. So I'm going to go purchase my points, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, we're back. We just bought our coin. We got 10,000 points. So now we're going to go look and see what kind of topper we could get. We don't want any of these guys. I don't think you can pull them anyway. I think 90s and above you can pull in this pack. Yeah, you can pull Jason Witten, I think. But I'm not sure. Reggie Bush you can pull in this pack. Luke Kuechly, he'd be nice. I'm a Jets fan, so I wouldn't be mad at Cromartie. Oh yeah. And we got Herman Moore. Oh man, I'd go nuts. To be honest. So hopefully we get something fuego. Be nice. Let's look at the team. See, we'll probably upgrade. So probably I got Nick Foles, Adrian Peterson, Jamal Charles, Brandon Marshall, Des Bryant, Pierre Garcon, Zach Ertz, Ryan Schrader. Sorry if I butchered his name. D. Castro, Nick Mangold, Leaftree, and Armstead. On the defensive side, we have some studs. Derek Johnson, Slay, he's a free elite, so I can't sell him. Brandon Graham, Aaron Donald, the free one, and yeah, Muhammad Wilkerson. Yep, it stays in 84. Well, let's go open the packs. Here we go, boys. 9,600 points. Thanksgiving Championship topper. Well, we already looked at them, so let's get right into the packs, boys. 12 Thanksgiving packs. I think they offer you like 4 food items in each pack. Okay, Tracy Porter, throwback edition. 84 overall. Come on, give me an elite. I haven't been in Madden in a while. You can do your boy right. Oh, come on. Mass Shaders, Corn. Cole Measy, Troy Smith, Green Bean, Corn. Oh, that wasn't really nothing good. On Eugene Monroe, Pumpkin Pie, or no, Pie, Corn, Benny Logan. Oh, we got an elite, guys. Yeah, I ain't really hyped because I know it only goes for like 10K, but hey, I'll take it. Oh, 88 Tom Brady. I think he goes for something. Let's go, guys. I think he goes for 20K, but I'm probably going to keep him. Another Tracy Porter, Dwell Jackson, Green Beans again. Ain't nothing really special, but I did get 2 elites, so I'm happy with that. Gravy. Come on, where's the Fuego? Green Beans twice in a row. Eric Decker, Chris Ivory, former Jet and Saint. Oh, come on. Give me something worthwhile, people. Come on, EA. 84 Deshaun Jackson, Orlando Skandrick, Chris Ivory, and Paul Sony. Mac and cheese, that looks really good. Pretty much nothing really, but we'll just keep flying through, guys. Ultimate Turkey, that looks pretty cool. So what are you guys gonna do for Thanksgiving? Just let me know. Hope you guys have a nice Thanksgiving, have some nice ham and some pumpkin pie. Oh, elite! Third elite, guys. Lane Johnson. Let's go. Ain't going for much today. I'll take my elites. Anything? Okay, next pack. See if we get some fire biscuits. Ultimate biscuits. I've never seen that one before. Come on, Fuego. Chris Ivory again. We got like 3 of him now. Just more collectibles, golds. There's not really anything Fuego. Come on, give me some fire. Ultimate stuffing. Tracy Porter again. I think we have like 3 of him now. Come on, give me something. Well, this is the last pack, guys. Well, I'm going to open up a couple more packs before I open the topper. Chemistry pack, man. What is this? Color Rush. Huh. That's neat. That's pretty neat. I just want to buy a couple pro packs. Is that alright? Is that even possible to just buy some pro? Oh, there we go. Oh yeah, I forgot. Gotta buy it with points. Ding dong. Anything? Oh, we got an elite. Awesome. We got Cameron Jordan. That's awesome. Just one fire pro pack. Well, we could open one more. Come on, go back to my pro pack. Oh dear. Go back to them packs. Oh yeah, I can't open with coins. Jiminy. Come on, show me fire! Okay, Keenan Allen. Oh, this is the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's get this topper over with. See how much he goes for, and then we'll be going on our way. Here we go! The topper! Who are we gonna get? Eric Ebron. I don't know how good he really is, but we'll open this feast pack just because we're awesome, I guess. Mac and cheese. Oh, this is just collectibles. Let's see how much Ebron's going for. Maybe he's going for a little come up. I don't know. If he isn't going more than 50, I'll just keep him. How much you going for, Ebron? Well, 91,000. I'll put him up on the block right now. Just so I get some coins, guys. So I need them coins. Well, I'll just put them up for an hour. See if I can get me them coins. I'll just look and see how great his stats are. Yeah, he ain't that great. Mine is the cheapest, so if you guys want to buy it, it'll probably be gone by before this video is uploaded, so. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Until next time, it's your boy, Ultimate Gamer, signing out. Peace.